Metropolitan si William Navarro. He replaces Kate Flores as Brownlee opens up the scoring with an elbow jumper. Dito sa ating best of 7. Aguilar from the right side, trying to go glass. Napakalakas. Pero naluwan si Scotty who plays it up in style.
Alam mo, Mabu, para sa akin, yung mga ganyan, you have to take that first personal. Diba? Mula sa effort ng Northport.
Aguilar sa left side naman. This time pumasok niya.
He will be playing with a lot of confidence dahil yun na.
Brownlee na double D. Jack draped all over him. Holt has to shoot it. 1 to go. And 1 para kay Stephen.
Downhill all the way to the cup. Stephen Holt, we were talking about
Liliyap sa kanan.
Ayan.
May ganun. Abangan natin magkakaroon ng pagkakataon. As Rosario just goes straight away. Hindi na kailangan ikip pa yun. Holt on the run. Brownlee for 3.
Northport na, matagal niya to try to get that back na
First
kagad.
time ang Northport battles yan. They've gained the following throughout the elimination round.
I totally agree. Yeah.
Number 1 seed to, ang daming nag-supporter, pero ngayon nangulila na naman sila dahil hindi nila nahahanap yung deserve na. Could not bounce home. Ang tutong pala sa ilalim nila si Troy Rosario.
Yun yung pinag-practice niya. Mga, di ba, hanging in the air. Yung usual niya na magandang start eh. So, you're much better now. Pero yeah, they find themselves down 5-9. Hindi pala, teka lang. Round. So, kasi yan.
Relax lang. Uy!
Everybody's confident. Magpa-open ka lang. Dadating sa'yo. Wala.
RJ Barrientos announces his entry with a runner.
Kaya yung mga little things, this is what makes sense. Kaya yung mga ganun mga loose ball, dapat kunin ka agad ng doors or ito naman ready. Second chance point. Dahil sa miscue na yun. Okay, Magu, nakita natin kanina, ganda na offensive rebound ni Abutrata. He missed. Another miss, William Navarro.
And Brownlee has heated up in the second frame. 13 puntos na para kay JB. Iyon na rin ang abante na para kay Nebra. 49-26. Forcing Northport into this timeout. Go. Oh! Touchdown! Ginebra! Laman na! 15.
That is a problem. Hindi ko nakita yung magandang close sa possession ng not Kadim Jack.